Hi friends, in today's session we are going to see the program to find out the sum of digits in a given number. Okay, so I already posted some of the videos on the coding questions which are mostly asked in the interviews, and I provided the links in the description. You can go through that links, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment. Okay, so let's start our session. So what is our problem statement? Problem statement is write a program to find sum of digits in a given number. Okay, so we have a number as a 123. Okay, so our first task is to separate the digits from the given number. Okay, so how many digits we have? 1, 2 and 3. Number of digits are 3. Okay, so how can we separate these digits from the number? If we mod this 123 by 10, then what will be the remainder we will get? 123 mod 10 is equal to what? 3. Okay, so we separated the one digit from the number. Likewise, we can separate the second digit, 12 mod 10. Then what will be the remainder? 2. Okay, and then 1 mod 10. What will be the remainder? 1. Okay, so we separated these 3 digits. Then our second task is what? To add these 3 digits. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to what? 6. Okay, so to perform this task we are going to use the while loop. Okay, so let's start coding. First we will take the one number as an input from the user. Okay, so for that we are using the scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner. Okay, here we will write one message for the user. Please enter number. Okay, so in this integer number is an integer variable is equal to what? sc dot next int. Okay, so to separate the digits, means to perform this task, we are going to use the while loop. Okay, so inside this while loop we are writing the condition as while number is greater than 0, then perform this task. Okay, so what we have to separate the digits. So remainder is equal to number mod 10. Okay, so this remainder variable we have to declare here int remainder. Okay, then what remainder we will get? For example, if here user enter the 123 number, then this 123 number will come inside the while loop and it will check the number is greater than 0. Yes, 123 is greater than 0, so it will enter inside the while loop. Okay, so here inside the remainder variable it will store the remainder. So number is what is the number? 123 mod 10. What remainder we will get here? 3. Okay, so this remainder we have to add. Okay, so we are using the sum variable. Sum is equal to sum plus this remainder. Okay, before using this sum variable we have to declare the sum variable, and initially it will be 0. Okay, so what value here? what value we will get here? Sum is equal to sum plus remainder. Sum variable value is 0. 0 plus the remainder means the last digit is equal to what? 3. Okay. Then we need this 12. Okay, 1 2 because 3 digit we already separated. So number is equal to number divided by 10. Then what we will get here? What is the number? 123 divided by 10. We will get 12 here. Okay. So this 12 will go in the while condition and it will check this number is greater than 0. Yes, 12 is greater than 0. Then it will enter inside the while loop. So remainder is equal to what? What is the remainder value currently? 3. Okay. So remainder is equal to number mod 10. So now the number is 12. 12 mod 10. What we will get? 2. Okay. So in sum variable we have this 3 value. So sum plus new remainder is 2. So what we will get here? 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Then number is equal to number divided by 10. Number is what? 12. 12 divided by 10 is equal to 1. Okay. So this 1 will go inside this while loop and it will check the 1 is greater than 0. Yes, it will come inside the loop. Then remainder is equal to number mod 10. So number is a 1. 1 mod 10 is equal to what? 1 mod 10 is equal to 1. Okay. So in sum variable we have the value 5. Then sum plus remainder is 1. What will be the answer? 6. Okay. So here number is equal to number divided by 10. Number is a 1. 1 divided by 10. What we will get here? 0. Okay. This 0 will again go in the while loop. So it will check 0 is greater than 0. No. Okay. So it will come outside the while loop. Okay. And outside the while loop we can print sum of digits in given number or sum of digits is equal to sum. Okay. So let's execute this program. Okay. See here in the console. Please enter number. Okay. So we will enter 123. What will be the answer we get? Here 6. Okay. So just enter. Sum of digits is equal to what? 6. Understood? Okay. So here we find out the sum of digits in a given number. Okay. So maybe in an interview interviewer can ask, please find out the number of digits in a given number. Okay. So how many digits are here in this number? For example 123, we have a 3 digits. Okay. So how can we calculate this 3 digits? Just here we can take one variable as a count and initially it will be 0. Okay. And inside the while loop we will increment this count variable. Okay. Okay. And here we will print that count. So number of digits is equal to count. Okay. So how many digits we have? 3 digits. Okay. So here answer will be 3. So save this program and execute. So see here in console, please enter a number. We will enter the different number this time. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what will be the sum of digits? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, and number of digits are 3. Okay, so just enter. See here, sum of digits 9 and number of digits 3. Okay, understood? Thanks friend. If you have any doubt or any question in this program, you can ask me in comment section. Okay, thanks.